What's up, guys? Back again with another video. So today I got a sweatshirt from Urban Outfitters. Is the champion fleece hoodie, double double stitched, as you can see. You go on the collar. So I'll do it on wear. I just have to go. Let me just put this on right now. Maybe it's hard after right now. So as you can see how it looks right now. Kind of oversized, but I kind of like that. So, no, fresh, a little fresh. You got a little stuck. Yeah, so as you can see, fits nice. So hope you guys have a nice day. Subscribe, like, hitting 10. I want to hit 10 subs. That's it. See you guys later. Catch you on the next time. I'm trying to fix what I'm gonna say in the end of my video, so comment that down below. Yeah, see you guys in the next time.